Hello my lovely people, welcome back to Adorable Kitchen. Today's recipe we have Gizdodo. Gizdodo is a combination of gizzards and plantain. The main ingredients used were gizzards, ripe plantains, green and red bell peppers. Now to the gizzard, I added some onions, curry, thyme, salt and seasoning powder. I poured just a little amount of water to it, mixed everything together and let it cook. So while the gizzard was cooking on the other side, I fried my plantain on the other side. Keep an eye on the gizzard and add more water if necessary. Fry the plantain till golden brown. Transfer in a sieve and set aside. Here I have my bell peppers chopped up and the fresh tomato paste I made myself. Some people prefer to fry their gizzards while making this recipe, but for me I don't think it is really necessary. And already I have lots of too much fry going on in this recipe, okay? So I don't want to fry it. I don't want to fry any further. So you can fry your gizzard if you want. Next I added in the stock that I got from the gizzard and I mixed everything together. This recipe is collaboration between gizzards and plantain. You can serve this in parties as small chops. You can use it as a meal or as a side dish. Thank you so much for watching, okay? Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!